Okay, we are back in business. Back in the camper. We finally get back in here to paint because it is not 100 degrees in here. It has cooled off outside, so it's cool in here. And I am gonna get back to priming these walls. We want to do as much as possible this week because it's a little cooler and we won't die while we're in here. So I'm trying to decide here what I should do for this little shelf inside the closet. We're painting the walls white. A lot of our lower cabinets in here are like the blue-green color. We honestly thought it was green when we bought it, but now after it's on, I feel like it's blue. Trying to decide if I should paint just like this stuff, that blue color, just for some variety. It will just take a little bit more time. If I'm painting white, like I can just paint everything white and I don't have to tape and stuff, but I think it actually would look really good. Are all done painting in here, the primer. So we'll just let this dry, and next step is the white paint on the walls, I guess, and maybe the blue we'll do on the base of the bed here and perhaps in the closet, but next step is white. I just got blue paint on the carpet over here. Richard even got me a little piece of cardboard, so I wouldn't, but it was on my hand, I think, and I didn't know. I touched the rug, but you know what? This rug needs to be washed. I don't know if that's going to come out now, but we also have like a little carpet runner that sits over top of this. Usually, so hopefully that just covers it. Okay, I've been painting our first coat of white. I brought Milo in here for our keeping company. Hey buddy, are you coming to help paint? I just wanted the air conditioning to be on, and well, this will look really good once that really adds to it, that trim on the slide. Yeah. But we're close. We're close now. Is that
putting the closet together?
Like an imprint of a leaf?
Yes.
Ah! Yes, we have to do the... Yeah, once those boards are done tomorrow. By tomorrow evening, they'll be all dried and we can put those on. And that...
Oh, we're supposed to get a thunder shower tomorrow.
Oh, that'd be so great. This light is not in there.
That's our weekly forecast.
Friday was like 37 last time I checked. Does it still say that?
47?
37. But as the regular temperature, not with the humidity. Or whatever they call it.
35 on Friday.
Yeah, before it was 37.
It's for our American friends.
That's like, they're like...
That's outside. That's not what it is in here. It's 98 degrees in here with no air conditioning.
They're like, that's nothing. That's a winter day.
Yes, but you don't live through minus 40, so... Yeah. Your...
You can handle it.
Temperature differences might be skewed slightly as to what you have to put up with.
Oh, the breeze.
100-degree variation in temperature tends to rattle us a bit. So one quick hack that we found in our camper just to give it a pop is because the edges of our window frames, they were completely white, which is fine, but we wanted something that popped the windows a bit more. And so last year we came up with the idea of spray painting, and the spray painting works pretty good. And I found that this Rust-Oleum Universal paint worked really good. And some unique colors if you can actually find enough of them. And then we also painted the frames of the window. One thing to note is when you take these off, at least in our camper, that's what holds the window in place. So if you're not careful and your window isn't, stuck in there, it could accidentally fall out. I never had that, but something to be in mind of. So we're gonna go. Let's pop these in. Gouge up my hands.
Okay, that's just a little... Are we good?
It is in place. So Carma recovered these valances. They used to be this green, nasty green color, and now they look like this. So, and it's like, why keep valances, like, of all things? And the truth is, we don't really do much in the bedroom other than sleep, and we like it really dark. So this just makes it really dark. So we're gonna put these back in. New door ready to go. Gonna get it installed. And I know everyone has like their perfect RV and everything is just wonderful, and we have kids. And what's this on our new painted door? Yes, that's a mark from a hockey puck. Oh well, let's see if we can get this installed. One thing we do need to get is a smaller vacuum, but that one's free. So.
That one's free because it doesn't have the power head, which makes it still usable. Oh, that reminds me, we need more vacuum bags. Because I don't have any extras in the house, and I think this one takes the same as what we have in the house.
I don't want to break whatever's behind there.
I think it's just a cheap piece of... I don't need to break the thing either, or is it metal?
No, there's wood behind there, but this is just sort of a fascia thing. Okay, so then... And then... No more and-ends. How low is that? The official measurement is 1 finger. Right there. Almost cover it up.
Oh, I'm not worried about that spot. Very nice.
Very nice.
Mommy.
That looks good with that brown.
Yes, it looks very good. That I wasn't even thinking of that.
I did.
Okay, we are finished our reno in our master bedroom here. So come on up and check it out. Have Acacia here. She's gonna show us our new lamps.
Nice.
Nice.
Actually, it didn't take as long as I thought it would.
No, it was really, I don't know how many days we worked on it, maybe 6 or something in total, but I am happy with the results and we just need to get on the road now. Okay, this doesn't slide like super smooth, but
That's probably good though,
yeah.
because if it slid super smooth, then it would be heading all over the place when we were driving.
Yeah, it will stay closed pretty good.
Desk is back installed. Cupboards. That's about it. There's not much to show.
Small space, which is why it didn't take too long. Not too many nooks and crannies like the bigger part of the RV.
And we did paint the door.
We got some scratches on it somehow, but
That's gonna happen anyways.
here, I don't know what happened, but there was a puck mark on there before it got back in the camper, but did you wipe that off?
No,
Oh, where is it?
it's on the other side.
Oh,
It's up there.
well, a little nod to Braeden's hockey career.
You can
Right.
fix it right now, too.
Thanks for joining us, guys, and we will see you next Sunday.